स्टार्ट कर देना। ओके। हाँ जी दिवम, स्टार्ट।
Hello everyone. Happy New Year, first of all. Wishing you all a successful, healthy, and happy 2024. So 2023 has been great for the markets, and overall, if you look at पहले 2-3 महीने थोड़े से they were slightly down. They gave us a lot of opportunities to invest, but the later part of 2023 was really amazing for the markets. All the broader markets participated in this rally, and this period made a lot of money for all of us. So what's there for 2024 and how is it going to be? We will be discussing all this, and how has the journey of green portfolio been over the last 2023, and what are we planning to do? So we'll discuss it all. सो सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा एक बार मार्केट्स का ओवरव्यू ले लेते हैं। सो एक्चुअली इफ यू लुक एट द डेटा पॉइंट्स, सो एफआईआई लॉन्ग पोजीशंस अभी 66% पे हैं, राइट? इफ यू लुक एट द मार्केट्स, द ग्लोबल इज करेंटली न्यूट्रल, right? So overall, global markets are neutral. FIIs have turned positive. DIIs have been negative. DIIs have been selling in the market of the last few days or few weeks. FNO अभी फिलहाल neutral है. Sentiment is positive and trend is positive. So what we have seen is that मतलब FIIs में different trend रहे overall. Like we saw of selling in FIIs from FIIs coming in from FIIs from November 2021 till March 2023. उसके बाद FIIs ने फिर से बाइंग शुरू करी. फिर बाइंग करने के बाद हमने ये देखा कि बीच में अराउंड अक्टूबर नवंबर देयर वर सम नर्वसनेस कमिंग इन फ्रॉम FIIs एंड दे वर अगेन सेलिंग. जब हमने इंटरेस्ट रेट को भी पीक करते हुए देखा अराउंड 5% पे, then we saw a retracement of interest rate of bond yields. या जैसे यूएस की bond yields 5% पे चली गई थी, and then they started falling and went below 4%. And then again we started seeing FIIs flows coming in into Indian markets, which was again very positive, right? But during that period, what positive happened was there was a good support coming in from domestic institutions and a good support coming in from retail investors. So retail investors at this point in time डेली का मार्केट में 600 करोड़ का एसआईपी कर रहे हैं. मतलब द म्यूचुअल फंड एसआईपी फ्लोज आर 18,000 करोड़ अ मंथ, which comes to 600 crores daily, right? And just imagine that there are 6,000, 7,000 scripts in the market, and out of them, good scripts are say 3,000, 4,000 companies, right? So that 600 crores are mostly going to go into these 3,000, 4,000 companies. And then definitely there is a demand supply kind of a situation. So that's why we have seen prices going up, right? So अगर आप देखोगे तो that's why we have also seen good appetite coming in from for IPO, new IPO papers, right? So IPO को लेके भी बहुत ज्यादा appetite रहा है, क्योंकि काफी सारी young companies, new age companies, different new age businesses have come into the markets through fresh issuances, right? And there we have seen appetite coming in from investors. So ये overall रुझान रहा है. Definitely FIIs जब buyer बने last 1 month में, दिसंबर में the inflows were record coming in from FIIs. अभी भी FIIs के inflows आ रहे हैं, है ना? वो क्यों? क्योंकि interest rates have fallen. So when interest rates fall, the market, the money the passive money starts flowing in into equities, and starts flowing in into markets where you can create an alpha. And India is one of the markets जहाँ पे आपको अल्फा बन सकता है, क्योंकि इंडिया का जो सारा मैक्रो फैक्टर्स है अभी भी इंटैक्ट है. अगर आप देखेंगे हमारा ओवरऑल जो ओवरऑल मैक्रो फैक्टर्स हैं सारे, दे आर वेरी मच इंटैक्ट, है ना? हमारे जीएसटी कलेक्शन देख लो आप, हमारे परचेज मैनेजर्स इंडेक्स देख लो आप, हमारे आईआईपी का डेटा देख लो आप, पावर consumption देख लो. तो overall all the data has been really bullish, and the underlying strength in the economy still persists. and we are an outlier for sure across the world. So that has been a positive for the markets, right? So what else? So if you look at the US bond yields and the India bond yields, we have seen some मतलब जैसे US bond yields 5% से गिर के 3.7% के अराउंड आ गई थी. Now they are back to 4%. So we are seeing some like increase in bond yields over the last few days, right? We'll talk about it. So USD to INR में भी आप देखोगे तो 83 पे चल रहा है अभी वो. That is slightly stable. Dollar index is 10 around 102 103, which is again decent, right? India volatility index has slightly increased. Usually 11 के आसपास चल रहा था, थोड़ा सा 13 14 पे है. Even it went to 15 16. So if it is above 14 or above 15, then we could look at some volatility in the markets. But at this point in time, it is fine. Uh, if you look at major trends, so Fed had done 2023 में, तो Fed had done 11 rate hikes overall, and they were very quick rate hikes, and we saw them pausing on the rate hikes. And what market is anticipating is that हम अप्रैल और मई में जाके रेट कट्स की साइकिल शुरू होते हुए देखेंगे. ऑल्दो इट विल बी अ वेरी ग्रेजुअल रेट कट. ओवरऑल हम बात कर रहे हैं कि इंटरेस्ट रेट्स विल रिमेन हायर फॉर लॉन्गर. So definitely that is going to be the trend. It is not going to fall suddenly to the levels we have seen in 2020 2021. So एक trend था जो which was definitely concerning the markets across the year. So now ओवर हियर क्या हो सकता है. तो मतलब अगर एक कहावत है, बाय द रूमर सेल द न्यूज. सो market in anticipation of the rumors that interest rates are going to fall have been rising, right? So अगर markets ये anticipate कर रहा है कि interest rates गिरेंगे ultimately और peak हो गए हैं, और interest rates गिरते हैं तो equities ऊपर जाती है, तो markets उसके anticipation में have been rising, right? But historically अगर आप data देखेंगे तो ऐसा पता चलता है कि whenever the actual interest rate cut starts happening, the markets can fall. So अभी immediate 3-4 महीने का ऐसा कोई concern नहीं है markets को, but we will stay cautious when the actual interest rate cut starts happening, right? So we are keeping a close watch on the markets. अभी euphoria नहीं दिख रहा है. अभी डिमांड मार्केट में बहुत ज्यादा है अच्छी कंपनीज की, एंड अच्छी कंपनीज मिल भी रही हैं. ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब ऑल्दो the type of opportunities that we were getting in March 23, जब we were getting a lot of opportunities for cheap, आज की डेट में ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है. बट डेफिनेटली यू सी इन द ब्रॉडर मार्केट, अगर आप स्टॉक पिकिंग करने जाओ तो आपको काफी सारी अच्छी स्टोरीज भी मिल रही है. ठीक है. एक एक हम काफी मेजर ट्रेंड और देख रहे हैं कि जो कंपनीज ने लास्ट ईयर फंड रेज किया, या जो कंपनीज ने लास्ट ईयर केपेक्स किया है ना, जो कंपनी ने लास्ट ईयर पीएलआई में लाइसेंस लिया, राइट, तो वो कंपनीज आने वाले समय में दे आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म वेल इन FY 24 25, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू outperform in the markets in 2024, right? So आपको ये देखना है कि देखिए डेफिनेटली इंडिया में अंडरलाइंग डिमांड है, अंडरलाइंग इकोनॉमिक करंट है. इंडिया से एक्सपोर्ट की अपॉर्चुनिटीज बढ़ रही है, इंडिया इंपोर्ट रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली जो डोमेस्टिक कंपनीज हैं दे आर गोइंग टू बेनिफिट. एंड जो कंपनियों ने केपेक्स लिया, जो कंपनियों ने पैसा उठाया मार्केट से, जिनके पास पैसा है और वो कैपेसिटी एडिशन कर सकते हैं, वो यहाँ से अपना बिजनेस एक्सपैंड कर सकते हैं, तो वहां पे हम लोग एक अंडरलाइन करंट देखेंगे 2024 में. दैट्स व्हाट आवर थॉट प्रोसेस इज. And there we are going to see numbers improving, which will reflect in the share prices of the companies. So we are keeping a close track on these kind of opportunities, and जहां पे भी हमें लग रहा है see there a lot of stocks have risen, a lot of stocks, the price to earnings or the valuation matrix that you look at have increased. But wherever we are seeing that the growth prospects are pretty good for FY 24, we are keeping a hold. Wherever we are seeing heated up valuations, we are booking profits. So ongoing basis पे हम एक और चीज करने वाले हैं. Over the next 2 to 3 months, we are going to review and do rebalances on a more frequent basis, right? So because stocks are all of a sudden rising, they are touching their peaks, and or they are rising to levels which they have not seen, and obviously we have to, as a discipline, we have to keep on booking profit. So as a discipline, we will on an ongoing basis for the next few months review the portfolio and rebalance the portfolio more frequently, right? So that has been the thought process. Second, we are also seeing a lot of opportunities in some एक तो ब्रॉडर मार्केट में बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रही है ना, काफी सारी कंपनीज अभी भी बहुत सस्ते में अवेलेबल है. सेकंड, सेक्टोरल रीएलोकेशन में बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रही है. अगर आप देखोगे सेक्टोरल रीएलोकेशन में, आप फार्मा देखोगे, आप स्पेशलिटी केमिकल्स देखोगे, आप टेक्सटाइल देखोगे, वो अभी ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जो अभी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं चले हैं. सो वहां पे वी वुड बी एंड एज यू नो दैट वी आर मतलब हमें ऐसी कंपनीज बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, राइट? सो वहां पे वील बी प्लेसिंग आवर बेट्स एंड वहां पे हमें वैल्यूएशन क्वेश्चन मिलता है कि अगर मार्केट्स बहुत हाई वैल्यूएशन पे, तो हमारी कंपनीज अभी सस्ते वैल्यूएशन पे हैं एंड हमारे पास ऐसी कंपनीज हैं जो सस्ते वैल्यूएशन पे हैं. तो so over there we have allocation opportunity, or we have redeployment opportunities coming in, right? And we are also seeing some opportunities in some of the large caps as well. So we are evaluating in especially जहां पे भी हम वो क्वेश्चन ले सकते हैं, तो हम वहां पे भी we are going to, like in HQRP portfolio, we are going to gradually bring in some large caps also, since this is a like हम लोग इसमें डायनेमिक रखते हैं अपने एलोकेशन को, है ना? तो दिस इज अ फ्लेक्सी कैप काइंड ऑफ अ पोर्टफोलियो HQRP. सो वील कीप ऑन इवैल्यूएटिंग, एंड जहां पे भी हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, जहां पे वैल्यूएशंस आर कंफर्टेबल, जहां पे बिजनेसेस आर सॉलिड, वी आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू रीएलोकेट द कैपिटल. What else happened in 2023? So lot of geopolitical events happened, right? As we all know, we were all nervous when Israel Hamas happened. We were all nervous when Russia Ukraine continued for so long, and then there were a lot of political developments across the globe, right? A lot of these developments had an impact on the market. We are going to see some of more of these events on an ongoing basis, because we are seeing a complete realignment across the globe. How globalization happened, it is a re-globalization in a way, and we are seeing we are seeing some developments in Red Sea. We are seeing developments across the geopolitics, right? So यहाँ पे इंडिया की पोजीशन काफी स्ट्रांग है, एंड वी आर वेरी बुलिश on those aspects, जहाँ पे हम हमारे रिलेशन विद स्पेशली विद द लार्ज बायर्स लाइक यूएस बहुत अच्छे हैं, मिडिल ईस्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं, एंड दोज रिलेशंस आर गोइंग टू एक्चुअली प्ले आउट, right? So we are going to do free trade agreements, and these are going to increase across the globe. And जो हमारे favored nations हैं, and we have favored nations in terms of all the large economies of the world, right? And those are going to be our partners in terms of business, and that is going to actually develop business opportunities and create market opportunities, right? So this is going to happen in 2024, and geopolitics is still going to continue, and related events are still going to continue, and there could be new events also that could turn up, राइट? सो अगर आप एक्सपेक्टेशन देखो, तो एक्सपेक्टेशन मार्केट में सबसे पहले तो अभी बजट आने वाला है. वी आर गोइंग टू सी अ कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द लास्ट 2 years. जो हमने लास्ट 2 साल में देखा कि गवर्नमेंट का ग्रोथ पे फोकस है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे फोकस है, तो वहां पे हम लोग उस चीज की कंटिन्यूटी देखने वाले हैं इस वाले बजट में, क्योंकि स्टेट के इलेक्शंस रूलिंग पार्टी के लिए काफी फेवरेबल आए, तो दे आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड दे आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू rather being defending, they are going to continue on the front foot and are going to deliver a very solid budget is what we feel. उसके बाद काफी बड़ा इवेंट है. वी ऑल नो दैट वी हैव जनरल इलेक्शंस अराउंड मई. उसकी डेट्स भी अनाउंस होने वाली हैं 1-2 महीने में. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी दोस इलेक्शंस, and there'll be a lot of definitely to and fro across politics, across the economy. But we are all anticipating a continuity of the existing governance, and if we get a if we get a stable government, I think that should be good for the markets. So that is the hope of the markets, and that is also being anticipated already by the markets, right? So उसके अलावा आप इंडियन मार्केट को देखोगे तो एक एक बहुत मेजर ट्रेंड रहा 2023 में, दैट वाज आईपीओस. एंड वी स्टार्टेड जो हमारा आईपीओ का मार्केट था 2021 में, इट डिड वेरी वेल, 2022 में इट फेल डाउन, 2023 में इट डिड वेरी वेल अगेन, राइट? एंड वी आर seeing a lot of IPOs being filed. मतलब around 400 SME IPOs are in pipeline, around 50 main board IPOs are in pipeline. Considering that there is a huge demand in the market, there's a huge supply of capital to the markets. Definitely, there is a demand for new papers, and there is a requirement for new papers in the market, and markets can easily digest these new papers. So हम ऐसा ट्रेंड हमें लगता है कि हम ये 2024 में भी ऐसा ट्रेंड देखेंगे जहां पे जो आईपीओस थे वो they are going to continue in 2024, and you're going to see new and new companies, new age businesses, different types of businesses coming to the market. जैसे हमने देखा ड्रोन के बिजनेसेस आए, वीएफएक्स के बिजनेस आए, सोलर से रिलेटेड बिजनेसेस आए, है ना? काफी यूनिक यूनिक बिजनेसेस आए मार्केट में जो हम हमारे मार्केट में जहां पे पहले इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं थी लिस्टेड स्पेस में. Now we are going to see more of such companies coming into the markets going forward, as there is a huge liquidity in the market and people are able to raise capital from the markets. So definitely, and this is good for the economy as well. हम एक काफी अच्छा ट्रेंड देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे there is structural change from people investing in physical assets to people investing in equities and financial assets. सो फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स की तरफ एक अच्छा रुझान है जो एसआईपी के फॉर्म में, जो डीमैट अकाउंट्स के फॉर्म में, जो डायरेक्ट या इनडायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट के फॉर्म में मार्केट्स में आ रहा है, एंड दैट इज वेरी पॉजिटिव फॉर द मार्केट्स, एंड दैट इज फॉर वेरी पॉजिटिव फॉर द इकोनॉमी एज अ होल, क्योंकि इससे जीडीपी मल्टीप्लायर बहुत ज्यादा सिग्निफिकेंटली बढ़ेगा. Definitely, public capex has been great, and there has been a huge support from the government to develop infrastructure in the economy, and this is going to be very positive for the economy going forward, right? But private capex had still not picked to that extent which was anticipated. So हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि काफी जगह कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन लेवल्स बहुत ऊपर है, काफी जगह प्रॉफिट्स बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आ रहे हैं. तो हम प्राइवेट केपेक्स 2024 में हम एंटिसिपेट करते हैं कि they'll definitely do very well, and we are going to see good uptick in private capex going forward. So 2023 as green portfolio, what was the overall crux? So we did a lot of things. हमने एक ग्रीन एथिकल स्मॉल केस लॉन्च किया, हमने ईएसजी स्मॉल केस लॉन्च किया. सो दिस वाज इन सिंक विद आवर स्ट्रेटजी टू प्रोवाइड opportunities for people to invest, and we have seen a lot of inclination of people towards investing, towards ethical investing or towards ESG investing, and we were also seeing great returns in ESG. So we brought those products, and वो भी हम जो हम flavor देते हैं, the kind of stock picking that we do, we are doing stock pickings in these things. Like in ESG, you usually have only a few funds which do only large caps. We are bringing to you ESG across the spectrum, right? So we are picking small cap, mid cap, large cap across the spectrum in ESG. So that has been something unique that we've been doing in 2023. So product development has been our key in 2023. We refurbished our website. We brought Gateway into our website. You can now subscribe through our website directly. Now even we are working towards AI for like mutual fund research, and we are also going to launch our mutual fund small cases soon. So that is where will be working in 2024. 2023 we did Green Sharks, and Green Sharks was really a success. We brought to you the management, how they have developed their businesses, who are they, what their business is. So we did direct interaction and brought to you through YouTube. And in 2024, we are going to continue, and with a twist where we are going to actually go to their factories and showcase you the factories and talk to you in show these people in person. And these sessions are going to be really exciting, and you're going to see continuity of Green Sharks another season in 2024. If you look at again, so in 2023 we shifted to our new offices, and we saw so that was a very positive for us as at Green Portfolio. Overall, as numbers, we grew in numbers. In terms of our small cases, we added more than 3,000 clients. In terms of our PMS, we added more than 100 PMS clients. In terms of our AUM, we and AUA, we touched around 800 crores. In terms of our performance, we've been continue to deliver at the satisfaction of our investors, and we'll continue to do that. And while doing that, we, as a passion, we also want to touch base with each and every one of our investors, and हम उनके साथ बड़ी closely we are working, and we are very much reachable when it comes to talking to our investors, solving their personal or financial anything. We are very like I think all our team. We are very blessed to have that kind of a team. So we are all very passionate to talk to you regarding anything, regarding your financial matters or even anything else, right? We have also launched these live sessions where we interact with you. We continue to deliver our newsletters, and we continue to do that in 2024 as well. If you've seen our teammates bringing reels and bringing information to you through reels on an ongoing basis, that has also been a great initiative, and we are on an ongoing basis doing that. I hope you guys love it, and I hope you guys like view, share, like more of such initiatives from us on an ongoing basis. This is how we are like bringing our thought process to you. This is how we are talking to you. This is how we want to interact with you more and more, right? So these initiatives are happening. In 2024, we are also going to participate in a few exhibitions where you're going to see us physically in your various cities as well. So looking forward to that as well. So it has been a great 2023, and we are looking and all excited for 2024. Definitely, some areas the valuations are not cheap, but definitely the valuations in broader markets, you see a lot of opportunities, and you see a lot of redeployment opportunities in a lot of sectoral bets where with sectors which have not run. Uh, Also, you see some large caps. Also, you see opportunities. So we are seeing a mix of opportunities, and we are keeping a close track on stocks which have run up, and we are trying to book profits wherever we can. Obviously, wherever you see some red in the market, you can go and buy in a staggered manner. Uh, you should not be very aggressive. You should not over leverage. You should not leverage at all at this point in time. Whenever you see a correction, see, you are investing for a long term. India story is intact for long term. So wherever you see deployment opportunities, do deploy, right? And you're going to continuously see a lot of deployment opportunity. It is not कि सब कुछ महंगा है या सब कुछ यूफोरिया में है या भाग गया है बहुत ज्यादा, तो ऐसा नहीं है। सी मार्केट ऊपर ही रहेगा इंडिया का, क्योंकि एंड वो बहुत कम अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा बहुत डीप करेक्शन की। क्योंकि हम बहुत ज्यादा पैसा आते हुए देख रहे हैं एफआईआई से, हम बहुत ज्यादा पैसा आते हुए देख रहे हैं डोमेस्टिक रिटेल। सो द डिमांड ऑफ इंडियन equities is pretty high, and we are seeing that kind of a momentum in the economy or in the companies as well. So परफॉर्मेंस भी आ रही है, इकोनॉमी भी अच्छी है, पैसा भी आ रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली बहुत ज्यादा करेक्शन की अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी, बट अगर मिली तो डेफिनेटली आप उसे कैश इन करिएगा। And we are going to continuously talk to you. I think this was the first message for 2024, and we'll continue talking over the coming weeks and coming months. And wishing you a happy new year once again, and looking forward to interacting with you all in the coming weeks. Thank you.
Hi, Divam.